Hi, welcome to ATJ channel. In this video you are going to learn how to make, paint and assemble this pendant and earring set. For that I have already made 5 mm thickness slab. I cut into a rectangle shape and I used the leaf shape block print, and I just took only the top part which gives the leaf impression. Just press and hold firmly and then use a fettling knife to give the border lines, and then I have sticked the stick beads, and then using a U-pin I'm inserting at the two corners. So that's it, the pendant is ready now. Now we will move on to making the earrings. So for that I have taken a small square cookie cutter. The thickness for this is 3 mm, 2.5 to 3 mm. So just take two pieces and then repeat the same steps as we did in the pendant. Just take only the top part, just press it firmly. That gives you a nice impression on the earrings. Now we will insert the stick beads. So I'm inserting 3 at the bottom. Make sure that the nichrome wire doesn't come through the front or go through the back side. It should be in the center. Repeat for the other earrings as well. So now the making part is over. So now we are moving to the coloring. For that I have taken the antique gold color, and all these pieces are fired in electrical, and I have taken liner brush and number 2 round brush. Then from Faber-Castell I have taken black, white, red, leaf green and ultramarine. Dilute the black paint and using number 2 round brush, just paint it on only on the leaf shape to highlight the design. Repeat for the other earring as well. The same method we are going to do it on the pendant. Just fill the design using this black paint. I just added few drops to dilute this black paint. Now I'm giving the outline for that lines. No need to cover the whole pendant with black. It may change the color, so just I'm giving the outline for the lines. So I'm just covering all the 3 leaf designs with black. I have already mixed ultramarine blue, leaf green and gold. If you mix all together you will get a paint like this. Then I'm covering the earrings except the black, except the places where we painted with black. Repeating the same thing for the other earring and also on the pendant. Just I'm covering the area which is around the leaf design. I'm using number 2 round brush. It is a Faber-Castell company brush. It's really good actually. So I covered everything around the leaf design with this green color. One coat is enough for this. Now I'm coloring the back side and also the side edges using this same green color for earrings and also on pendant. This is a very easy making a pendant. We can use this for our daily wear. I chose the colors based on my sari. It includes all these 3 colors: black, pink and green, along with gold also. So now I'm taking antique gold and I'm mixing with a few drops of black and I'm diluting with some water. Now I'm painting the stick beads for the earrings and also on the pendant. Since it's a stick bead, we can color both front and back side. No need to keep it to dry. If it is a gunguru bead, we will paint one side and we will keep it for drying, and then we will paint the other side. But for stick bead, it is not necessary. Now I'm again using the same gold to color the border line. Now this pendant looks like a sari border. Now I'm taking white and a few drops of deep scarlet red and I'm mixing it with few drops of water to get the pink shade. Since the color is very light, so I'm adding few more drops of red. Now I'm painting the remaining area with this pink color. Once this is dried, I will give the second coat. There are some air bubbles on the place, so if you blow it, it will break. Now I'm going to paint the beads. So for that I have added some paint on my palm and I'm rolling it. So this is the easiest method, I would say, and I feel this is quite comfortable for me. So I'm giving 2 coats so that it will cover all the beads uniformly. So it's done now. I'm going to color only 2 beads with the pink, so I'm just using the toothpick. Use thermocol to fix it. So now the paint is dried completely, so I'm going to give the second coat. That's it. I'm giving the second coat for the two beads as well. That's it, the painting is done. Keep it for on whole day. This is the next day. I'm going to assemble using all these materials. So I need cutter plier, gear, lock, then painted beads, pendant and earrings, gear wire, and I made this black rope. So I'm going to fix this stud base using the super glue. I will include the link for how to make the back rope in the description box. Please check if you haven't seen it before. So to assemble, just take the required string, that is gear wire, then insert one gear lock and then put it into the U pin, and then bring the same wire to the gear lock again, and using the plier just press it tightly so that it will fix it well. Now add 3 green beads and then a pink bead followed by another 3 bead. This is the order. Insert the excess wire into the beads. Now we will repeat the same thing to finish this. Insert the gear lock. Now insert the gear wire into the black cord. Again insert the wire into the gear lock and along with 1 bead. Then pull it gently. Make sure that everything is fine. Before pressing the gear lock, make sure that everything is arranged properly. Then press it with plier and cut the excess wire, and try to insert the excess wire into the other bead. Now repeat the same process in the other end. That's it. The pendant set is ready now. I hope you find this video useful. If you have any feedbacks, please write it in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.